Hi, I'm Jason.
And I'm Kara.
And we're the Everlanders.
So corny.
You might have noticed the little join button down below. That means our channel is now big enough that we qualify for the YouTube membership program. So by clicking the button, you can support our channel and get exclusive access to 3 tiers of membership perks.
But why? Did you blow your engine? And now you're stranded in Mexico?
No. We're fine. But we've come a long way from the shaky video with bad audio, shot and edited on my phone in the garage. Now we're running multiple gimbal stabilized camera rigs with external audio, multiple drones, action cams, studio grade editing and color grading software, just to bring you videos of this caliber. And while we love making these videos for you guys, free of drama, clickbait titles, and sponsors that have nothing to do with the subject matter of the video, like Audible and Squarespace.
There are some inherent costs that come along with making these videos.
And so, if you enjoy the content we're making, or if one of the how-to videos I've done in the past has helped you out, then please consider supporting the channel and throw a few pesos in the sombrero.
There are 3 tiers to choose from.
The first tier gets you early access to all of our videos here on YouTube a week or a few days ahead of everyone else, so you get to see the matinee before anyone else. Any comments you make, you'll get a little badge right next to your name showing that you're a supporting member of the channel, and then those comments will also get priority response. So if you've got any kind of question, I'll make sure those comments get good, thorough responses, as well as exclusive access to exclusive content on Everlanders.com, where we will have a list of hidden gems, camp spots that we loved here in Mexico and into Central America, with pictures and a write-up of the place and GPS coordinates, anything else like that that we can share with you.
As well as a gear list, so we'll put in all the things that we really enjoy and make our life easier on the road, and hopefully that will be helpful to you.
That's a good one.
What about Tier 2?
Tier 2 gets you everything in Tier 1, plus bonus nachos. We'll give you a shout out at the end of every video.
Plus, if you want, we'll send you stickers and patches. Just send us your address.
In addition, our website will have a build list with all the components we use to build our truck: wheels, tires, air conditioner, solar panels, lithium batteries, everything that I can share with you, I will. We'll have an exhaustive list there so you can peruse it, as well as some extra content here on YouTube. We'll put up some bloopers and odds and ends, just random bits that hit the cutting room floor. They won't be curated quite as nicely and they might not be color graded, but we'll just throw some stuff up there for you guys to have a laugh with. And then there's Tier 3.
It's for the diehard fans.
Yeah, Tier 3 gets you everything from Tier 1 and Tier 2, plus a members only video where we'll have a little heart-to-heart sit-down talk, kind of raw and gritty, and just show you the real bits about life on the road, as well as maybe some other raw, unedited videos of walking through town, encounters we run into.
Plus live GPS tracking of us and our truck.
Yep, and we'll throw in some live data from our solar charge controller. You can go and peruse how many watts we're making right now, or the state of our batteries, or anything like that, just as a little added bonus.
And if there's interest, we can create a Tier 4.
Yeah, I'll shave my beard on camera, or tattoo your name on my ankle in small scriptive writing, or give you access to remotely trigger our air horns in the middle of the night. That sort of stuff. Put your suggestions in the doobly-doo for what you want to see. The price of each of the tiers is in your home currency. So Americans will see US dollars, Europeans will see euros, Mexican pesos, etc., etc. And know that 100% of the proceeds will go towards producing content for the channel, be it equipment, software, internet access to upload these large files, etc. If you can't make any contribution, don't sweat it. You'll still get access to our regular videos early in the week, every week, hopefully. And we appreciate everyone regardless. We enjoy reading your comments, so please load them up. And thanks so much for always watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.